warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Good evening to our student my Mr. Learning Lecture and fellow laboratory assistant. My name is Ivander Kasmi, an active student on this video occasion. I'm going to comprehensively present and document and lesson ID number 2023-257. Implementation part of machine learning laboratory report. According to our laboratory regulation and willingness, send the last digit of my student ID number and in an odd number with is 7. I am strictly required to implement the NEF by algorithm. In this video, my primary focus in to track dissect the end-to-end technical workflow that I have organized into 8 logical steps within the Google Colab environment using the wine recognition dataset. Let's switch over to the monitor screen to analyze the lines of code one by one. Okay, import library and loading data. Step 1 and 2. Now we are on the Google Colab interface. Let's examine step 1, which is importing standard library. Here I call the pandas and MB library, which serve as our main foundation for manipulating numerical matrix structure and data table. For graphical layout purple and imported metacognitive and Seaborn, crucially from the scikit-learn library. I imported the trend test split, modulus the GUIS in B, model class, as well as evaluation metrics such as accuracy score, classification report, and coefficient metric. All of the test library must be excited at the beginning of the session so that Colab memory regression their function. Moving on step 2, which is loading the dataset and processing. The dataset in using is the official wine regression dataset with into scikit-learn by using the PD data frame function and format this raw array into an entirely structured table. I also appended a specific column on the far right name target to hold the class label. Talk the divinfo comment, we can detect that this dataset contains sample and technical feature with absolutely zero missing value, meaning the data is percent fully prepared for the next phase. Next, step 3, depth exploratory data analysis. Step into step 3, which is our exploratory data analysis of bread ADA. As data scientist says this, we shall never throw data deliberately into an algorithm without understanding characteristic first. Here I conduct two primary analysis. First, I check the sample distribution for each class using the value content function. The output reveals the class 0 has 59 sample, class 1 has 71 sample, and class 2 has 48 sample. This distribution in a relatively wide bench, which ensure the model won't become biased toward any single class during the learning phase. Next, step 4, data splitting and model training. Step 4 and 5. We not advance to step 4, which is data splitting into training and this test. Here isolated all independent predictor future variable X by dropping the target column and write the class label into variable Y. The data precision insert the train test split function with a strict ratio of 18 for the training data and 20 for the testing data. And step 5, we enter the model creation and training type base. Is instated the model object using the command model nb question nb to relate that the Gaussian variant is specifically select because of our input variable consists of continuous numerical data on a real scale. Then the command model nb field text train is executed. Next, step 6 and 7. Now, let's break down the evaluation result in step 6, which is model accuracy evaluation. I instructed the model to make prediction using the predict function out but subset of data. The accuracy scores of Batman are phenomenal. The training accuracy result 9718 and the testing accuracy result 9722 is information system student. We must look closely at the next number. A very high testing accuracy that said almost perfectly neck and neck. With the training accuracy robust indicator that our model has generalized beautifully. Step 7, which is reviewing the classification report output. If you observe the table on the screen, the precision for class 0 and class 2 hit of was 1 and 100. This meant there were absolutely 0 false positive improperty case into the classes. Okay, last step 8. The final step of our particle series in step 8, which is the confusion matrix visualization. The blue tenet had made from several visually reinforced everything we discussed of the 36 independent test sample resulted. Our model successfully predicted 35 sample values. This one miscalculation is high XLB and noise not trick the overall integrity of the model. Thank you. Please don't forget to hit the like button on this video. Feel free to drop your question in the comment below, and I will see you in the project showcase. Thank you and goodbye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.